Cim50, the manufacturing add-on for Sage 50, has just released its 2025 update. This is the largest ever annual update for Cim50 and includes over 40 new features. In this video, we are going to cover just some of the most important aspects of this update. Full picking list functionality has been added to both the core Cim50 solution and the shop floor data capture SFDC module. This allows you to create a picking list, which allows you to assign stock to a sales order. The list includes traceable batches and/or serial numbers, helping to speed up and streamline the process of picking. Once the order has been picked, it can be amended or converted into a sales order, streamlining the dispatch process. This expands the functionality within Sage 50, allowing you to adjust multiple stock items simultaneously. All adjustment options are available in the adjustment screen. You can adjust in, adjust out, transfer stock, quarantine stock, issue stock to a project, return it from a project, and you can do all of these to multiple items at the same time. This feature allows you to check stock availability for all manufactured items in one or more sales orders. So you can trial kit the manufactured items from one or more sales orders, letting you see if you are going to experience any shortages when you try to fulfill the orders. Your production schedule can be affected by many small and unforeseen changes, such as unexpected machine maintenance or staff sickness. You can now make ad hoc bookings of labor or machine resources. These will then be considered by the scheduler, which will then give warnings of resource availability. This means that your production scheduling is more efficient, and there will be fewer unexpected issues of machines being down or staff being out. These have been just some of the major updates to the system that were included in the release. However, there were lots of smaller changes as well. Here are just some of the minor updates to the system. Added ability to purge old records from the audit log. A warning has been added when adding a sub-assembly item to a BOM which is already marked as in progress. You can now search for stock codes when creating or amending a sales forecast. When a purchase order is raised through quotations, the purchase order will automatically have a due date column set to that of the quotation. When raising a credit note, you will now get a warning when trying to add a credit note line for an inactive stock record. You can now import timesheets from Excel. This has been a huge update to Cim50, and in this video we have only covered some of the new features and changes. If you're interested in learning more about Cim50, please use the links in the description, or you can get in touch with us directly. You can call us on 0115 840 5075, or you can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk.